Hey guys. This is Top Capable Channel. Sometimes you may be just messing around with your iPhone, trying to change the passcode, and long story short, you totally forgot what you set it to. And you've tried all the possible combinations you could think of, but nothing seems to be working. Now you're completely locked out of your iPhone, which is super frustrating because you need to use it to reach your important data. To escape this predicament, your only option now is to factory reset the iPhone. It could be a bit of a bummer because you're gonna lose all your data. But hey, it's better than not being able to use iPhone at all, right? If you have backed up your iPhone, luckily you could still recover your lost data from the backup after the phone gets unlocked. Here we've got 3 different ways for you to factory reset your locked iPhone without iTunes. Let's kick things off. There's actually a feature on iPhones called Erase iPhone that you can use if you forget your passcode. Just tap a few times on your iPhone and it will be basically reset back to its original state. No need to bother using a computer or iTunes. However, your iPhone won't have the feature unless it's running iOS 15.2 or later. And it needs to have a charge of at least 50%, since it may take some time to finish the reset. You should also have your Apple ID and password handy because you'll need to enter it during the process. Moreover, network connection is required on your iPhone, too. Now we'll show you how to reset your locked iPhone in this way. Try to enter passcodes on your iPhone at random a few times. Eventually, you'll get an iPhone unavailable screen with an Erase iPhone button on the bottom right. Tap it twice. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password and hit Erase then. Now the factory reset has begun. After a few minutes, your iPhone will restart and you can follow the prompts to set up your iPhone as a new device or retrieve the data from your backup instead. When it comes to finding your lost or stolen iPhone, Find My iPhone could be the best way to get your iPhone back. But did you know that it can also help you reset your iPhone when you forgot the passcode? Just hop on iCloud.com and follow the simple prompts to reset and unlock your iPhone by this means. Here we'll walk you through the steps in detail. Before we start, I want to mention that your iPhone must have Find My iPhone activated in the settings for this to work. And it should be connected to the network either. Also, you should know about your Apple account details for signing in. Now grab another device nearby. It can be a phone, a tablet, or a computer of any brand. Notice that we are not using the locked iPhone here. Go to iCloud.com and log in with the Apple ID associated with the locked iPhone. Once you're logged in, scroll down until you see this box and click on Find My iPhone. Then your locked iPhone will be shown on the list on screen. Click it. Click Erase iPhone, and the phone will start to reset then. Forgot your Apple ID and password? Unable to connect your iPhone to the network? Don't worry. Here's a practical tool for you to tackle the problem: iPhone Unlocker. It's a professional and passcode removal software that helps reset lock screen passcode, screen time passcode, as well as Apple ID password efficiently. And you'll find it super easy to use. To get more details, you can just head over to this website. It's also in the description below. If you want to take this approach to reset your locked iPhone, you'll need to download it first on your computer. It's compatible with both Windows PC and Mac. Once installed, launch it on your desktop and select the first option, White Passcode, from the menu. Then hit Start to move on. Click this link. Device is connected but not recognized. A window will show up. Follow the on-screen instructions to make your locked iPhone enter recovery mode. After your iPhone is in recovery mode, the program will detect your device. Now you need to confirm the iPhone information. Then hit Start. On the screen, it will display an iOS software downloading for your iPhone. Wait for a while. After it's done, enter 0000 in the blank, and click Unlock to trigger the factory reset on your iPhone. When it shows 100% inside this purple circle, your iPhone will be reset successfully. Now you can choose to start it afresh or restore your data via your backup. That's all for today's video. If you think it is helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want to watch more of our latest videos, please also subscribe. Thanks for watching.